MOmOh, I'm Professor MOmOh. Today is Saturday, the 16th of January 2010. We're going to be doing application of formulas for exponential growth, progression, arithmetic progressions. But before we get to that point, what I have to emphasize today is the concept of formulas. Now, we have been exposed to European education, and European education doesn't have authentic formulas. I'm saying that European education doesn't have authentic formulas. The reason why they don't have authentic formulas is because they don't have the origination of what it is that's called creativity. So, because there's no authentic formula, there is no procedure. Now, your scientists will tell you, talk about procedure and all of that stuff, but they don't have a procedure at all. What they are working with is our processes. I'm going to get into that in a minute, in a few seconds. But the fact of it is that when you have a formula, you have a procedure, because formula and procedure are synonymous. They are both the same thing. And so when you have a formula and a procedure, you have facts. And so you always begin your argument from a point that is factual. Now, if you don't have a formula or procedure, you don't have facts, so you theorize. See? So, but what you have done in order to acclaim yourself as having a formula and a procedure is you create processes. Processes is primarily what the Greeks took out of Africa, and that's the reason why you have people like Professor George G. James. In Stolen Legacy, Dr. George G. James in Stolen Legacy tells us very clearly how the Greeks stole African science, African spirituality. In fact, it's not science. African spirituality, the Greeks stole African spirituality, then the Romans came in, and then they added to that stealing, and so all of Europe stole African spirituality. But because Europeans, the European brain doesn't understand spirituality, they transformed formula and procedure to theories that eventually emerge as what they call science. And so out of their science, they then looked at procedure, and then they created processes. So process zero is the assumption. Process zero is the assumption that you know the formula. No, you don't know the formula. Then process one is the initiation, in which you assume what you know, you can always initiate into some factual evidence. But again, since you don't have the formula or procedure, you lie. And then process two is where you say, yeah, what I have is a formula, so I can actually present practical evidence of the formula, where you don't have any practical evidence of it, and you don't even have the means of creating one, so you steal natural resources. And so that's why the European civilization is a leech. They always have to go down to Africa to steal wealth from Africa. That's why they exploit, you see. And so when you go through all of these things, you develop your theories now. So out of your theory comes religion, you see. So out of your theory comes philosophy. Out of your theory comes education. Out of your theory comes medicine. Out of your theory comes foods. Out of your theory comes industry. So you primarily create a whole kind of environment of great deception in what you expose to the world. So on that note, we're going to have an opportunity now to invite Sister Esther, our 64-year-old lady, who is going to be teaching us about formulas. Sister Esther, are you ready? Yes. Sister Esther is working to begin giving us the formulas for growth and exponential possibilities. Yes, Sister Esther.
MOmOh, my name is Esther Jackson, and I'm here today, Saturday, January the 16th, in Professor MOmOh's class to teach about the exponential growth of the formulas, okay? Now, these formulas that we have over here, we're talking about the progression of arithmetic. Xn equal n. X means the unknown. N means the known. Okay. When you do, we have n equals 0, then 2n equal 2 to 0 equal 1. 2 is the base, and n is the exponent. And all of this comes to kings and queens, high priests, high priestesses. Okay, how can we redeem ourselves? Through the Dohgon natural numbers. Okay, that's how we could redeem ourselves. Okay, over here I started doing n equal 1, 2 to n equal 2 to the first power equal 2. Okay, 2 equal n equal 2, 2n equal 2 to the second power equal 4. That's 2 times 2 equal 4. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Okay, now we're going to go in equal 2 to the third power equals 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. Okay. That's 2 2s or 4 times 2 equal 8. Okay. We're going to 2 to the fourth power equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, equal 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 times 2 is 4 equal 16. Now we're going to 2 to the fifth power equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equal 32. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, that's 32. Now we're going to 2 to the sixth power equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, times 2 equal 64. So that's 2 times 2 is 4 equal 64. Now we're going to the, that's it.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
That's it. The Dohgon math and the natural numbers. These are the natural numbers that we have to do. It helps us to think, it helps us to progress in this world. And it also helps you to forget the bad things that happen to you in your life. Remember, the Europeans took our thinking away from the Africans, and they took our exponent power from us because they made the African slaves, and they're afraid. They don't want the African blacks or no Africans all over the world don't know about the natural numbers because they don't want us to think for ourselves. They want us to make us think that they are a savior, that they saving us, like they doing in Haiti. Okay? They making the Haitians think that they are helping them by bringing them food and water and everything. No, they don't have to do that. Because Bush and Clinton is going to steal it. Going to steal the money. That's what they're going to do. Norma.
Wonderful that Sister Esther did make a mention about Haiti. We all know that the situation in Haiti was set up for that to happen, to eliminate the black population there. Hey, we are strong, we will not die. We are going to be here. We have the formula and we will implement the formula. Thank you very much.